If we want to be the innovation capital of Asia, we must move from ease of doing business to ease of innovating. We must move from just clearing files to creating ecosystem. Our vision document outlines a spatial strategy: cure, urban, pure, peri-urban, and rare, rural. We have the plan, we have the talent, but innovation is expensive. And more importantly, innovation is risky also. Banks love safety, but innovation requires failures. History tells us that the biggest breakthroughs from the internet to space travel happened because someone was willing to bake a high-risk idea for 10 years before it made a single rupee of profit.